What you talking about? Are you talking about the Brazilian football?
Yeah.
Yeah? What's the best player that you know?
I like Ronaldinho, even though he's kind of getting old.
How? Ronaldinho? Yeah.
But he's getting old.
What about Pelé? Do you know Pelé?
Yeah.
Yeah? The best new one?
I like him.
Oh yeah? What position that you play?
Pitcher! Right midfield. Or like, usually we play like midfield.
Midfield. And you?
Defense, midfield.
Midfield?
Yeah.
And the Brazilian guy?
I want to be in this. No.
He's a good player or not?
Yeah. No, he's terrible.
Oh yeah?
He's terrible. Get out of here. No,
And you?
only the good people.
What about you guys? Are you goalkeeper?
He's good.
Oh yeah? But he looks like a goalkeeper.
What?
Yeah.
No, keeper.
No?
Goal! Did you get new cleats? These are like...
É, mano, o pessoal tá trocando uma ideia ali.
Os moleques
Nossa, o Caio na boa, inglês perfeito, que o cara não tá nem aí pra errar nada. Que legal. Como chama o time?
Waza.